David Ewing Duncan here at the 2017 BioInvestor Forum, and I'm very pleased to welcome Kathryn Phillips, who is the director at UCSF of the Center for Personalized Medicine, but there's more to it than that.
Absolutely. The TRANSPERS Center, which is all about translating personalized medicine into clinical care and health policy.
So one of the questions I think that comes up around personalized medicine, or what we're now calling also precision medicine,
Yes.
slightly different, but is where are we with this? We've been talking about it for a while. And
Yes.
what is the value, especially at an investor meeting?
Absolutely. Well, let me tell you a little bit about what we do. So we focus on where the rubber meets the road in terms of who's going to pay for personalized medicine, who should be getting it, where's it most efficient, what do we know, what we don't know. And certainly we've made a lot of progress in recent years, but we still have a long ways to go. So we need to understand both the clinical and the economic value of personalized medicine, and we need to work with industry in order to use their data and for our academics and industry to get together and together develop the evidence base for personalized medicine.
So I wanted to ask you also about reimbursement.
Yes.
I mean, we're getting some progress in some cancer therapy, personalized medicine techniques, but what's happening on the reimbursement front?
We spent a lot of time looking at that because it is a key issue. They say that the three barriers to personalized medicine are reimbursement, and reimbursement.
Yes.
So we spent a lot of time talking to payers to understand coverage policies, how do they make their decisions, what kind of evidence do they want. We're also looking at the ground level to understand what actually happens to patients and providers. Who gets the test? How do they get billed? How do they get reimbursed? Who ends up actually paying for the test? So all these are key issues that are going to need to be addressed.
Yes, exactly. And that's, I guess, in the policy part of what you're doing.
Yes.
To some extent, yeah. And then finally, you are actually looking for investments here, and there's all these companies, all these presentations.
Yes.
What are you seeing?
Well, I've worked with a lot of startups and VCs and biopharma companies, and the main thing I always tell them is your value proposition needs to be defined, needs to be very specific, and it needs to think about the broader context in terms of it includes payers, it includes government, it includes providers. You have to think about value in that big picture and to think about it very early on, because I've seen a lot of startups fail, unfortunately.
Yes. Well, listen, thank you very much for being here.